Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 16 runs the latest iOS and has sufficient storage. This avoids interruptions. Once done, enable Siri and on-device intelligence in settings and grant microphone, camera, and photos access where prompted. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and iCloud so models and preferences sync across devices. Finally, restart the phone to apply background optimizations. This ensures the AI modules initialize correctly before you proceed to configure personalized features. Now you configure the core AI tools. Turn on live text in camera and photos so text becomes selectable, enable visual lookup to identify objects, and activate scene detection for smarter exposure. Then build shortcuts that chain AI actions, translate text, summarize notes, or generate images, so repetitive tasks run with one tap or automation. Also, review privacy settings to prefer on-device processing where available, which keeps data local and usually faster. These steps maximize usefulness while finish by actively using AI features in daily tasks. Dictate messages, summarize emails, ask for photo edits, and refine prompts until results match your intent. Monitor battery and storage because heavy model use can affect performance. Update iOS and model data periodically for improvements. If something breaks, first reboot the phone, then reset relevant settings or reinstall the app. If persistent, sign out of iCloud and back in. That troubleshooting sequence resolves most problems without losing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.